shit, I can't salute. Oversaturated.
Come on, home slice, follow me. If anything falls off, just do a burnout, let me know, okay?
I did burnouts anyways.
I like that. So we got the misfire again, but I'm in 5th gear. M50 should be okay. So no wipers, cracked windshield, no sunroof, no glass at all on the sides. The misfire is kind of an annoying thing. But brakes work. This is guaranteed the sketchiest car I've ever driven. But we already made it. A couple hundred feet away, so another couple 100,000 feet away. Should be okay. And I sit too low, I can't really see. I'm so sorry, M50.
All right, Joe. We got the blue 36 coupe outside. Driving it back to the shop. Hopefully, it makes it has no fucking taillights, no plate, nothing. So, kind of risking it all for the biscuit here. Oh, it has a fucking blinker. Look at that. That's cool. I really want to see this car like on the track. I can't wait. It'll be fucking sick. You know, it runs good after we did the immobilizer bullshit. It does need a coil pack, so it's on 5 cylinders out of the 6 right now, so it's not running the best, but it is still pretty decent for how cheap you got the car. You know, it's a perfect beater 36, and I see a lot of potential with this car, and I'm kind of jealous because I really want a 36, but I want a TI. I don't want no normal E36. You know, I want to stand out. So when that day comes, it'll come. But for now, we're rocking with the Miata, and Dylan and Gino got their 36s. So hell yeah!
I do not know if this is possible, but I think the misfire went away. It was definitely like it was running on 2, but now I think it's running clear. I don't know. I'll try a little 2nd gear. Nah, it's definitely one missing, I think. Definitely notchy. The shifter, definitely gotta be a short throw. It revs clean. And I don't hear the misfire. And it's not even overheating. Super fucking surprising. I don't see any cops, so
scary. Another thing I gotta say is we're not some big YouTubers here. You know, we don't make big money. We buy the cheapest shit possible and make it kind of cool. Oh, burn out!
there's no trim on the door, so my fucking arm just slid on this and it hurt. One hand to dump the clutch. This thing is definitely waking up from the dead. This thing is definitely waking up from the dead, man. Look at the seat. That's all my seat flexing. Well, the diff is super nice. Dude, the fucking temp is staying halfway. There's water in this thing, which is like rusty brown. Gas gauge hasn't moved. It's still at a half, so I think it's inaccurate. But it's definitely waking back up.
Put it in the comments. Put in anything the fuck you want. I'll have him link my Instagram in the fucking description. Someone, please sell me an E36 because I fucking need one. I really do. I love my Miata, don't get me wrong. But I want, you know, I want another car. You know how it is, all you car people out there. Once you get one car, you want all of them. You can't have all of them, but you know, I will because I'm fucking him. Don't even play with me. I really want to get doors with Gino. Me, Dylan, and Gino just getting doors at Lock City. Oh my god, that would go so hard. But I don't know, we'll see what happens in the next, few months. I don't know, we'll see what happens. I want to get doors with Gino. Me, Dylan, and Gino, just getting doors at Lock City. Oh my god, that would go so hard. But I don't know, we'll see what happens in the next, few months. I don't know, we'll see what happens in the next, few months. Maybe that car will be ready for their November. We could all go drifting together. That'd be really fucking tight, but you know how things go in this fucking car.
Yeah. Did we make it? Yeah. We made it. All four wheels are still on the car. Well, the depth.
Ooh, where's the center? Oh, what is that?
That's what I felt.
Oh,
How did it look from behind?
look good.
Did it sound, was it shaking at all?
No, it sounded good. The car was kind of crab walking.
Was it?
Yeah.
It definitely needs an alignment.
Huh?
The rim's off.
It runs good though.
There's a lot of toe
Oh,
on the back.
a lot. You can see it in video. That's how bad it is.
It does. Actually, no, those are different wheels. That's why I thought that one was.
No,
fucked up.
it's still towed in a lot though.
Yeah.
This
It
wheel?
looks like this wheel. I'm sure the thing being a drift car before, it probably hit something at one
He
point.
probably smacked the fuck out of a curb.
And you know how the center of the lower control arms is like nothing in the center. So a couple days later, we finally got the intake MAF boot right here. So we're gonna slap that in, and this thing should actually run a lot better, because that's a huge vacuum leak after the MAF. So we're gonna swap that out real quick. The misfire went away, so I'm gonna start it back up just for a second and check the coil packs again. I mean, I don't know if coil packs can go bad from sitting, but then once you put heat back into them and it starts, heating up internally, maybe they loosen up or something. I don't know how that works, but it did clear up. So I don't know, maybe it just needs to be worked in a little bit more. I don't know, but I'm still gonna plan on getting everything maintenance wise on this car, just so it's as reliable as possible. Coil packs, we're gonna do the water pump just to be safe. I do want to get a bigger radiator because I don't even want to have to get near overheating on this thing. It still has the stock plastic overflow tank, so I'll get a metal one. I mean, it really doesn't matter, but
just get like an Amazon one.
These just crack the plastic. Yeah. Yeah, this should be the exact same one, I'm hoping. So we're about to see right now. All right, so I rushed a little bit and got the wrong MAF boot. So this one, it's a wider slot onto the throttle body. I don't know if this is an aftermarket throttle body or something, I don't know, but this is also one port. I mean, there's crack there too, but this is a 2-port, and there's just, both ends are not wide enough to fit on the throttle body. So 14 bucks or 16 bucks, I think, down the drain. And now at least I know which one to get in. I should find another one for probably 15, 20 bucks. So at least the cars are running and driving right now at the moment, so we can wait another week, I guess. All right, so with the wrong boot, only thing I could do was kind of reuse the old one. So I ripped half of it off, squeezed the MAF into this one so it's actually tight, and it still bolts to there. So this thing's perfectly tight. Like, you can't even pull on it. I mean, you can if you want to, but it's tight. And for now, I'm just gonna zip tie it. Huh?
Whatever you just did made it go up.
I just punched it. How about now? I see those in the gap.
It's not like 6 now instead of 5.
That's all right. Good enough. At least it's runnable. So we're about to do the first oil change, I think, in, let's say, 7 years. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like right now. We got the bolt cracked on the oil pan, and now we're about to start dropping it. All right, guys, we got the flash on. We got the oil pan bolt undone. Let's see how this 7-year-old oil looks. Oh, come on, baby. There. Is that metal? It's not horrible, but we definitely need that VR1 for sure.
I think you smack my belly every time. It's like.
Too early for your fucking nails. You're running out of shoes to wear. So I bought you another pair. You're running out of shoes to wear. So I bought you another pair.
So here's a little fun fact about me. When I do oil changes, most of the time, almost all the time, I don't even do an oil change with the filter. So I always stay with the old filter and just do the fluid. But we actually went to the store, grabbed a filter. We got a brand new one because we found maybe a little bit of metal in this filter. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick.
Imagine your band name is the way you die. One direction.
So you can see a little bit on the edges.
I'm on top of the world.
One of them did look worse. But you can see metal right there. But it's really not that bad, so I think the motor's all right. Just obviously we need an oil change like right now. So this one is junk. We got the brand new one, so we're just gonna double check that this is the exact same size and everything, and we'll be good to go. There we go. Perfect. It's a beautiful morning. Come outside. So this tire looks a little bit low in the back. Then I come closer, it looks like there's a hole. So who knows honestly what happened. There's still a lot of tread. So did it blow out overnight and we just didn't hear it? Because it looks like at the bottom it popped out. So I don't know, but wait, what's that? That's rubber. I feel like an FBI investigator right now. Yeah, see right there? And right here. Does anyone know kind of what happened? Because I can't really figure that out. It's the way he chirped into there. So maybe he ran over a nail or something and he just drove it home half popped or something, but that's a little weird. So this thing's out of commission once again. Fixed the slave cylinder yesterday. Now the damn thing has no tire. So it's always something with the damn E36s. That's why I kind of always went back and forth from them, because they're bad luck, they're good luck for a little bit, then they're bad again. So who knows what the hell would be next for that thing. That's why you just get an LS car. All right, so yesterday we did the oil change. Today we're doing the coolant flush. So we definitely know there's water in here just by the look of how dirty it is, because coolant doesn't get dirty. And obviously you can see all that. I mean, coolant can get dirty if there's stuff, like residue from the block and all that, but this I'm pretty sure is just straight water. And we're coming into winter, so this has to be coolant so it doesn't freeze or nothing. So right now we got the drain plug right there undone, and we're about to show you guys what this looks like. Pretty sure it's gonna be pretty chocolate milky, so let's get it out. Yeah, already it looks brown. Oh my god. Oh, now it's like white. It's clear enough. Looks to me like there's leaves in there or something, because I pulled the drain plug off and these little things, little leaf pieces or something. But definitely need coolant. The correct way to do a coolant flush is like 2 or 3 gallons of distilled water just to flush the water out. But over here, I don't want any water at all in the motor, because it is going to freeze, and even distilled is going to freeze. So I'm going to use some cheap coolant that I have and use that as the flush, so I can run the motor with just the 1 gallon of the cheap coolant that I have. It's coolant and antifreeze, no water added. So gonna let that run, and then hopefully that should all flush out with the leftover like block water. So that should come out. We drain all that, and then we put just the fresh 3 gallons of coolant, or 2, I think. Not too sure, but I have to look that up. But when I squeeze this, more shit's coming out. But the hoses are pretty tight. They're not bad, but it's almost out. Definitely want to clean this tank out. That's disgusting. So the flash is on now. You guys can probably see. Oh my god. It's disgusting. So it just went to halfway. Thermostat opened. Pissing some out. The rest. So that's the water that was trapped in the engine. So the thermostat opened, and now this should be going down. Yeah, it's pretty much empty now. So I'm gonna shut this thing off now. So I don't want to be sucking too much air in. So I just really wanted tank empty, which it came back up.